Hey Marco.
Hi.
My name is Yanda. I am a blogger from Bulawayo. So my question is, you are a black entertainer from Zimbabwe, who's living in the US, and you get all these beautiful opportunities and stuff, but then how do you deal with people that are telling you that because you're black you're not going to get this job? Or how do you wake up in the morning and push harder? For me, as a blogger, I've been told that I'm too gay for this thing. I am too
Tell them to meet me outside. Catch me outside. How about that?
So what I want to know is, there are mornings or there are days where I wake up in the morning and think, oh, why am I still doing this? I could actually do something else, because I might never crack it in this city or in this country because of either my sexuality. Everyone wants you to look a certain way, talk a certain way, dress a certain way, and all these things. So my question is, how do you wake up in the morning and do it and continue hustling?
Yeah, I think that's a really good question. We need to be friends, by the way, because I'm all about surrounding myself with positive people, and you seem like a really positive person. I don't surround myself around any negativity, and I know that may sound trite, but I'm very particular about who I put in my circle, right? So anyone who's saying negative things to me, especially on social media, block, mute. I don't deal with that at all. And if it's worse yet, people in my personal life, I'm shutting that down as well. So I would say just focus on the positive, right? There's always going to be detractors. It doesn't matter who you are, whether you're Beyonce or the Sierras or whoever. If you just look on the shade room, you'll see that the hate is real. People will always hate. But I think what makes you different, again, the fact that you are gay, you're a black man, you're living in Zimbabwe, that's a unique story that not many people can tell. So it's all about building your audience and finding your tribe and continue living in your truth. But also, don't be afraid to change and shift and grow, because whatever goals we may have when we first set out, they may change as our personalities develop, as we go through different things. So as you become more authentic, as you become, and tell your story and network and let people know, guys, I have this blog, I really appreciate it if you would read it, and ask them, what would you like to see more of? What can I expand on? I'll tell you, for instance, my blog has kind of been dead for a minute because I realized that everyone was going on Instagram. So it was kind of like I was doing double work, right? So I started, putting my updates on Instagram, whether it was about celebrities or about myself. So pay attention to those cues and pay attention to where your readership and your audience is, and just continue living in your truth. I don't pay attention to haters. If anybody is trying to hate, y'all got the wrong person. You got the wrong somebody, because I just don't do the hateration. I'm all about positivity and light. It's the only way that I can get through the no's, the rejection, the craziness, the absurdity of this industry. Is I just have to always focus on the positive.